Hello and welcome back to our channel, Grandma Knows. In today's video, we have an interesting tutorial on how to clean an air fryer. In this video, we will be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to properly clean your air fryer so that it is ready to use again. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Let's get started. It's important to unplug the air fryer and let it cool down completely. You don't want to clean it while it's still hot, as it can be dangerous and cause burns. The first step in cleaning your air fryer is to remove the basket or pan and wash it in warm soapy water. You can also put it in the dishwasher if you prefer. Be sure to rinse it thoroughly and dry it completely before returning it to the air fryer. Next, we will be wiping down the inside of the air fryer. Use a damp cloth or sponge and make sure to get it into the crevices and corners. If your air fryer has a removable tray or tray insert, be sure to remove and wash it as well. Now it's time to clean the exterior of the air fryer. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe down the outside of the appliance. If there is any stuck-on food or grime, you may need to use gentle scrubber or a sponge to get it clean. Just be sure to avoid using abrasive cleaners or scrubbers, as they can damage the surface of the air fryer. Once you have finished wiping down the air fryer, be sure to dry it completely before you use it again. This is especially important if you live in a humid climate, as moisture can cause rust and other problems. If your air fryer has a strong smell or has been used to cook particularly greasy and smelly foods, you may want to deodorize it. To do this, place a bowl of white vinegar inside the air fryer and run it on a low heat setting for a few minutes. The vinegar will help to neutralize odors. An air fryer is a small appliance that uses hot air and a small amount of oil to cook food. It is designed to mimic the effect of deep frying, but with less oil and fewer calories. To use an air fryer, you simply need to place your food in the fryer basket. Set the temperature and cooking time, and let it do the work. The hot air circulates around the food, cooking it evenly and quickly. One of the benefits of using an air fryer is that it can produce crispy, fried-like textures without the need for a lot of oil. This can make it a healthier option for cooking foods like French fries, chicken wings, and other fried favorites. Air fryers are also relatively easy to use and maintain. Many models have digital controls and pre-programmed cooking settings, so you can just set it and forget it. They are also easy to clean, with most models having dishwasher-safe parts. Overall, an air fryer is a convenient and healthier alternative to traditional deep frying and can be a great addition to any home kitchen. And that's it. With these simple steps, you will be able to keep your air fryer clean and functioning at its best. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.